wasting my time, let's look at the key, the progression, the passing notes, and any other stuff that I did in the cover. Okay, so the key of the song is C. Okay, this is my C on the first fret of the B string. This is my C on the third fret of the A string, and this is also my C on the 8th fret of the E string. Okay, I mostly played around this C on the 8th fret of the E string. Okay, let's look at the progression of the song. So the progression goes like this. That's your do. Okay, do ti la. Okay, that's your do. Do ti la. Then that's your so. Then la ti do. Okay, that's the first part. Then okay, that's the first part. Then on the second part goes like this. Made a man of fa, that's you do. Re mi fa ye radia ye. Then la re so do. Made a man of fa ye radia ye. Now I bought da 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 da. Okay, so this is the progression for the entire song. Very simple. Now this is how I started grooving. Okay, when you are playing a worship, you make good use of the octaves. It really helps a lot. Okay, and it really fills up so many gaps. So I started by playing on the do. Then I'm in fana. Okay, do do. Okay, so when you are playing a do, you can be playing the octave of it. So this is my do here, and this is also my do. If you want to play on the fa, the same thing, fa, then fa. Get it? Then I play the chord. Okay, I play the chord to the do. Since I still had some time. Okay, so I played. Then okay, do 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 do. Okay, so this is the chord. It's just the normal basic major chord. Okay, just that I had to use a different approach for it to make it sound this way. Okay, the normal triad for a major note or a do is do mi so, and a fa is fa la do. I think the shapes are the same. So to so ti re, and then re changes a bit, so re becomes re fa la. Okay, and then mi also changes. Mi becomes mi so do. Sorry, mi so ti. Okay, then mi and then re and la, they follow the same shape. Do, fa, so also follow the same shape. Okay, so if I want to play it in the chordy way, if I'm playing a do, this is how it's supposed to be. Since I'm playing a do mi so, I can play it this way. This is my do, this is my so, and this is my mi. Okay, so do re mi fa so, this is my so, la ti do re mi. That's so I've gotten my do, I've gotten my do, I've gotten my so, and I've gotten my mi. So if I want to play it in the chordy way, if I want to play it as a chord, I'll play it this way. Okay, do so mi. Okay, do so mi. Okay, if I want to play any of the major notes on the E string, this is the shape. Okay, it is just the same shape. If I want to play fa, it's the same shape. If I want to play so, the same shape. It's very simple. Okay, Okay, it's very simple. So do will become do, so, mi. When I want to play fa, fa becomes fa, do, fa, fa, do, la, fa, do, la, fa, do, la. Then so becomes so, re, ti, so, re, ti. You get it? Now you try that for the minor notes as well. Okay, if you want to understand chords better, check the link in the description. You have access to a PDF on chords and then trials, okay, in my Telegram channel. Okay, so that's it. So I played. Now I changed it a bit. I didn't play it this way. I played it. Okay, this is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is la. In front of la is so. Okay, so la, ti, do, re, mi. I have my mi here. I have my so here. So it becomes so, mi, do. You have to stretch a little bit. So this, my index finger will play the so, slide to the so. Then my pinky will play the mi. Then my middle finger will play the do here on the E string. So okay, this is the first thing that I did. Then then they played. Okay, so do, mi, fa, fi to the next note that they so. Okay, so then they went to so. Okay, so do. Now if you want to play any so note, you can just be using this as a passing note to your so. So you can just play do, mi, fa, fi, then so. When I went to the so, I played a lick. Okay, and this is the lick that I played. So this is my so. Since I was still on the so, I played so, la, ti, do, re, mi. Okay, this is my so. Then I slided to the la, ti, do. Okay, la, ti, do, re, mi. So la, and the la is what? Is re, then mi. Okay, so la, ti, do, re, mi. Then and the re is so. So I went to so, la. Okay, so la, ti, do, re, mi, so, la. Then I played do. That's flat 7. Then I went to T. So when I got to T, I played from the la to the to. I did the chromatic movement to the T. From the la to the T, sorry, I did la, to, T. Then I played the so here on the E string. Okay, you get it? So la, ti, do, re, mi, so, la, do, ti. You get it? Just to get the chord again. Okay, so la, ti, do, re, mi, so, la, do, ti, so. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Okay, for the first part of the song. Okay, then okay, now it's supposed to be la. From so I'm supposed to play la, ti, do. Now instead of playing la, ti, do, you can play so, fa, mi in worship. Okay, instead of la, ti, do, you can just improvise and play so, fa, mi. So that's what I did. Whilst I was going to the second part of the song, may the man of Alpha, I did a passing note to the do before I started the second song. So I played may the man of fa. So that one is re mi la re so me re mi la re so do. That's a simple passing note to your do. Re mi la re so do. Then me the man of fa then re mi fa. Whilst coming to the fa, I just did another passing note to the fa. I played do re mi la re so do fa. Okay, if you have time, then you play mi fa. You add another mi fa to it. Okay, so this is what I did. Okay, basically in the entire song. Okay, so then whilst I was still playing on the do, I think when they were still singing, may the man of fa play so la ti re do. That's also a passing note to your do. Okay, may the man of fa may the man of fa. On whilst going to your fa again, you can just be using this passing note. It's very popular. Re ti do mi fa in your worship. Re ti do mi fa. It's just a simple passing note that you can use in your praise and worship. Okay, it's very simple. So that's another passing note for you on the fa. So on do, play so la ti re do. That's it. So I also play the lick here to my do. Okay, so la mi re do so do. Okay, whilst starting the do again. So la mi re do so la mi re so la mi re so la mi re do so do so la mi re do so do. Very simple. Okay, I think this is what I did in the entire song. It's not any difficult thing. Just follow along, and then practice on what I just taught you. Follow the basics. Check the chords and arpeggios PDFs in my Telegram channel. It's going to really help you a lot. Okay, so I think this is what I did in the entire song. Kindly subscribe if you are new here, and leave me a like and a comment if you like this video, or if you want any other thing. If you want any private class, kindly hit me up on WhatsApp. Okay, I've put the link in the comment section. You can get me on WhatsApp so that we talk about it. Okay, see you soon.